Right, hi everyone. I'm Francis Foster, Communications Lead at IQ Protocol, the NFT rental marketplace. I'm delighted to be joined today by Justin from TomoChain. So Justin, it's a pleasure to have you with us today.
Thank you for having me. Pleasure to be here.
Should we jump straight in? So TomoChain, let's hear about the project. First of all, yourself, your experience, and what would you tell someone finding TomoChain for the first time?
Sure. So hi everyone, my name is Justin. I'm the marketing manager of TomoChain. I've been with TomoChain for more than 2 years. Actually, TomoChain is the first crypto project that I've ever been with. And I've really been enjoying my experience with them so far. And just a little bit about TomoChain. TomoChain is a highly scalable public blockchain powered by a unique consensus that we call it proof of stake voting. That's secured by 150 masternodes. And TomoChain is EVM compatible and allows for blazing fast transactions at near zero cost. And TomoChain was initially launched on Ethereum as a layer 2 solution and moved to our layer 1 mainnet in late 2018. And since then, we've built out a series of protocols and products that support speed, usability, liquidity, privacy, etc. That all in one platform, such as AMM, DEX, Launchpad, Wallet, etc. And our mission is to accelerate the onboarding of millions of users by empowering today's application with technology that masks the friction of blockchain today, while retaining all its underlying benefits. And we also have a global outreach with communities and team members from all over the world, including myself from China. And we have team members from Vietnam, Australia, Europe, Japan, Singapore. And also our products and solutions have been used commercially by businesses internationally as well, from traditional industries like car tracking, food tracking, healthcare, to governmental institutions like the Vietnamese government just started issuing educational certificates on the TomoChain network since last year. And of course, like a variety of different crypto projects. Yeah, that's an overview of what TomoChain is.
Great, brilliant answer, very succinct. So let's head into our next question, which is about the users and community members. So how would you describe the values and characteristics of your community?
Sure. We've been very grateful for having a super supportive community, and we wouldn't have come this far without their support. The community means everything to us because TomoChain is made by the community and for the community. They have the decision-making power to move TomoChain into a future that they want by voting for proposals on Tomo MasterDAO, which is a grant DAO governed by the community. And they can also help us enhance the security of our network by voting for the masternodes that they trust and earn some block rewards by doing so. They are the reason why we started TomoChain and why we're still here. We believe in the future of decentralization, and I think we'll have to leverage the power of community to reach that future as well.
Do you want to say anything about the languages that you operate in terms of your community management?
We do have the English as the main language as the global community. And also we have some other communities, including the biggest one is Vietnamese, because most of the team members are based out of Vietnam. And also we have a Chinese community. We have like WeChat group, we have Weibo and some other social channels in China. And also we have Turkish community, we have French community. Yeah, we do have like communities from like a lot of different places and different countries.
Very cool. So you mentioned some of the characteristics of TomoChain at the top of the interview, but could you be a bit more specific about the problem that you're solving within the blockchain space and what makes TomoChain unique?
Sure, certainly. There are many problems that we are trying to solve or we have already solved. Here, I would like to mention a few of our products and protocols and what problem that they can solve. So the first one that I'd like to introduce is the TomoZ protocol. Well, Z stands for zero friction. So tokens issued under this protocol allows users to pay transaction fees with the token itself without the need to hold Tomo, which is the native token of the blockchain. So we all know one of the biggest pain points in crypto is that is the gas fees. For example, if you are new to crypto and you don't know much about it, and you receive some, like say for example, Sky token from a friend or from a shop, and the Sky token is issued on Ethereum, and you might have to download like a few other apps and link your card and pay some expensive fees to get like ETH first, and then you can use the token that you already have, which is very tedious process. And so TomoZ protocol has made it super handy, especially when it comes to onboarding new users into the space. And other products that I'd like to share today include TomoMaster DAO, Lua Swap, and Tomo Bridge. I'll go through them like very quick. So TomoMaster DAO is the grants DAO governed by the community, as already said, and the users can vote for the proposals and projects that they like to be built on TomoChain. And Lua Swap is a multi-chain all-in-one DeFi platform, including swapping, staking, farming, liquidity, launchpad, etc. And Tomo Braid is a cross-chain swapping portal that allows that connects TomoChain to other platforms. So these products are very essential in our ecosystem, and I'll walk you through how the developers and users can make use of these products. So for developers, if they are interested in building on TomoChain, they can send out a proposal to the DAO, and if it's successful, they can receive some developer grants ranging from a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars. And after the official launch of the project, they can also get their token listed on our launchpad for IDO and on the AMM exchange for trading, for farming, and later if they want to connect to other blockchain networks, we can also help them get a token wrapped and bridged to other chains via Tomo Bridge if they need. So that's the amount of support that we can provide for the developers on TomoChain to help them kickstart their business without any worries. And for investors and community members, they can also discover emerging projects with TomoMaster DAO and Lua Swap. They can vote for the ones that they like on TomoMaster DAO, and they can also invest and trade and farm the tokens on Lua Swap. So basically, what makes TomoChain unique is not only the superb nature of the blockchain network itself, like the speed, like the privacy, and like the fees, but also the outstanding amount of support that we cater for our developers and how the products are well designed for our users as well.
Good answer. Sounds great.
Thank you.
So if you're happy with that, we'll move on to the next question, which is what are the major what are the major items on your roadmap for token holders and investors and developers for that matter? What things are upcoming that people can get excited about?
The upcoming things, one of the features that we're going to have is the INO launchpad. We're going to include that on our Lua Swap. And also there are a few other projects that are building out their own stuff like NFT marketplace that we already passed the proposal via TomoMaster DAO, and several other proposals, including like a account management system, and also several other things that has been proposed and passed by the TomoMaster DAO.
Cool, sounds great. And then finally, we're very fortunate to count you as a partner at IQ Protocol. Could you talk a little bit about how you want to use the product and how you're going to integrate it into your ecosystem?
Yeah, sure. In simple words, I think basically we see a huge potential in IQ Protocol, and we do have like a shared future with you guys, I think. And I believe that IQ Protocol can bring a lot of new use cases that has never been seen on the TomoChain ecosystem. Like not only Tomo, but other projects and tokens can be listed on IQ Protocol's platform for token renting and staking, right? And I think it'd be very interesting, especially we have quite some NFT projects and some other new projects coming in via the TomoMaster DAO and Lua Swap, and they'll be very interested in putting their tokens out there for more use cases and get more communities to rent the token and stake the tokens, and also for our users, they'll also have access to more they'll also have access to more investment opportunities. So we're very excited to be working with IQ Protocol and be part of the IQverse, the what is called
IQverse
community battle royale campaign. Yeah.
Great. No, us too. We're delighted that you're a part of it. So for people who are interested and want to know more, how would they need to proceed? Like, where would they need to go, and what are the steps in order to get on board into your ecosystem?
I think the first step that they can do would be they can get some Tomo, and then they can try staking Tomo onto the masternodes, and they can try trading, putting the Tomo into the liquidity pool for liquidity mining and farming, and maybe they can try to use the IQ Protocol for the Tomo renting, maybe when it's live.
It's exactly what they should do. And what about wallet integration? Would they need to set up a wallet, or does TomoChain have an integration with MetaMask?
Yeah, TomoChain has is integrated in MetaMask already. So they just need to add TomoChain into the MetaMask wallet. We have a guideline for that, so it's very simple. So they can get TomoChain very quickly.
Great. Well, as I said, we're really excited to be working with you guys, and thanks for spending some time with us today.
Thank you so much. Likewise, we are very glad to be working with IQ Protocol, and I do hope to have more collaborations with you guys in the near future.
Great. Yeah, us too.